Well, hello and welcome back to another video. This morning, it's about, I don't know, a little after 10 a.m. Alright, we decided to grab the Leica Q and head out to Rabbit Hash, Kentucky. We've been there a few times, done a couple of videos from there, but thought, it's a great opportunity when the skies are halfway decent. You can get out with the top open and take a nice little drive in the country and see what you can come up with. So we're going to run over there, take a few images, make a little bit of video, and use this as another midweek video so everybody can catch up on what's going on. So thanks for coming along. Stay tuned and let's drive on over there. Alright, so we made it to Rabbit Hash. So now, if you don't remember the story of Rabbit Hash, you can go back and look at some of my other videos, but the main thing here is, excuse me, that the town got the name Rabbit Hash back during one of the gigantic floods, and the only thing that they had to eat was rabbit hash stew. So that's where the name comes from. So we're going to get out here, we're going to do a little bit of video, I'm going to take some images, and thanks for coming along. All right, so Rabbit Hash sits right on the Ohio River. That's why it floods so much. And it's right across the river, Ohio River, from Indiana, the town of Rising Sun, which is out here. All right, you can see, if you look over there, which, of course, we got face track on, so it wants to track me. I always seem to mess that up. There we go. Let's turn that off. Now let's turn this back over here so you can see it. All right, Rising Sun, and there is a casino out here. You can see the Riverboat. All right, hopefully you can see that. Let's bring this back around. There we go. I promise you, someday I'll learn how to use this damn thing. All right, in the meantime, I guess we'll have to put up with it. There's a little stage here where they mark Old Timers Day. I love the old timer sign. So it's up here. Love that. So what we'll do, oh, there's a riverboat coming down the river. See if I can turn that off and turn you around to see that. We don't often get that when we're here. See if we can capture that in an image. We'll wait for it to get a little bit closer. But that's definitely something we don't get too often here. Alright, so grab an image and then go look around some more. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're going to walk over and go inside the general store, which has been here since 1831, and take a few images and look around. This is about as authentic of a old-time general store as you're going to find. My favorite thing in here is right here. Rabbit hash general store beer for $6 for a cup. Here's the cups. A little dark back here, but this little map over here on the wall depicts, right, people from all over the country and actually all over the world that have come here to visit. And you can see the vast majority are right here from the Midwest, but still, people from all over come to this place. Alright, so I was able to get myself, important thing for a Sunday especially, a MoonPie and a Diet Coke. So that's a great little trip here to, especially to the Rabbit Hash General Store, which I think the world of. So we're going to move up the road here to another spot. Alright, take an image before we head home. Alright, so you may or may not remember it, but not too long ago I did a video from this spot of this old church here, this old cemetery. And the reason being, a person I worked with had, been out and he was getting into photography and he had taken an image here and I really liked it, so I wanted to come back and try to recreate it. All right, so I thought today, at least to end this video, I would, come here and take another shot at it, see how I could do. Now, granted, we're in the middle of the day and it's, certainly not the best of light and not the best of time, but so what? So I'm going to take a look at this image, color, and also in black and white. And his image was black and white, to be perfectly honest. So we'll see what those look like, and I'll put them in, right, for you to see, right here. Now, this is just another video in the Leica Summer Series. Out walking around with the Leica, taking images of whatever we see, putting them together in a video and putting them out there for you to watch. So hopefully you like this stuff. If you got some suggestions, by all means leave them. If you don't like it, fine, say that too. All right, but we're going to keep doing this here for another couple weeks, and then we'll go back to more of our normal programming. But I just, it's actually pretty good getting out here doing something totally different, something out of a little bit out of your comfort zone. 28 millimeter, fixed lens. I mean, it definitely makes things difficult and different. So anyway, don't want this to run on forever. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Anything you can say would be great. Thumbs up is always appreciated. All right, and certainly share the videos, help us grow the audience. So we'll see you again. Stay safe.